If you're like me and you don't like to wait, then keep watching this video as I will show you how you can get paid right now through the use of two different platforms you've never heard of before. This is completely free, no social media following is required, no skills, no experience, and it doesn't matter where you're coming from. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Just a heads up guys, the phrase make money online will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So, head on over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the needed details and log into your very own PayPal account. If you don't want that option or don't want to do that, you can set up your own bank account online by searching in the Google online bank account in my country and sign up for an entirely free account on the online banking website. With all of that said, let's jump straight into the tutorial so that I can show you everything in the site we will be going today. This one here is called squishycashcom. Now as far as Make Money Online site is concerned, this is one of the oldest ones out there, which is also why it looks so old-fashioned. You can see in the upper left corner that they've been around since 2007. This also shows us something else, which is that this website is not a scam or whatsoever. Otherwise, this site would have disappeared a long time ago. Right here, you can see that this website has over 200,000 members and has paid out $350,000 to those members as well. Now, how will you be making money exactly? You can see just below, get paid to fill out free offers, take surveys, play games, sign up for free trials, and earn cash back for online shopping. So this site offers a huge variety of things you can do in order to get paid, which is of course awesome. Squishy Cash connects you to advertisers around the world, allowing you to earn cash from home by doing things you already do online every day. The ones I would recommend though are the surveys. Many of you probably know by now that I don't particularly like them. But if you really want to earn some money, then you can go ahead and complete them most definitely. Anyhow, another way you can earn some money is through the referral system, which will pay you $1 for active referral. And 25% of the money those people that you referred made. If you don't have that much of your hands, then referring people can be a nice way to earn some cash in passive income, albeit it's not a big amount. With all that said guys, the best feature about this site in my opinion is simply the sheer amount of money or payment options they have available. You obviously have PayPal, but apart from that, they can pay you through various gift cards from the likes of Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Target, Best Buy, and so on. They can also pay you through a Visa as well. This also shows us that this is a worldwide available platform too. And I know that many of you wanted to hear that. So yes, it most likely will work in your country. Further down, you can see the payment proofs, which I recommend checking out if you perhaps had some doubts about this website as well as the testimonials located just below. In any case, to get started making money with this site, all you gotta do is enter in your email address in here and click on join. And here's the best part about this. They will actually pay you $3 for doing so, which is just awesome. It isn't a lot of money of course, but signing up takes no effort from your side and very little time. So it's a great additional nevertheless. All in all, this is a fantastic site. It's been around forever and has some very nice features, but it's also the first website I will be going over today. This second one is called rewardingwayscom, and right off the bat, when you come on here, you will see that just like the previous site, this one has an array of payment options to offer you. Among them, PayPal, Skrill, Tango, Amazon, and this kind of cryptocurrency for those of you who may prefer cryptocurrency to actual money. And they pay within 24 hours or even less than a day. Now, what you actually do on this website in order to get paid, you can see right here. You will be completing surveys. But don't worry, if you don't like them, it does offer some other options. Albeit surveys are the main method. And while I did say I don't prefer surveys, this site stands out from the crowd as far as surveys are concerned. As it says, it's the highest being survey out there that allows you to make money online. You can get paid today and you can be able to work from home. And last but not the least, just like the previous website, it will pay you for just signing up now. By far the best thing about this website is the reviews. Now, if you come over to trustpilot.com, you will find that Rewarding Ways has a rating of 4.7 stars with nearly 700 reviews. So not only that, this show you that this is a 100% legit website, but it also shows you that people love it as far as reviews are concerned. This is one of the best rated websites I've ever seen. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see that 84% of people rated it as excellent. Just 10% as great, but in total, only 5% rated it as average, poor, or bad combined. So just think about that for a second. There are a lot of people who likes this website. It is a crazy percentage, and this, as I said, shows that it's a legitimate platform most definitely. Furthermore, if you come back over to their homepage, you'll be able to see how much money they've given out. And that is nearly $2 million as you can see, which is, as you know, a lot more than that of the previous platform. Here you can see that you complete only surveys to earn cash and gift cards. They also, however, have an option for you to earn points through watching videos, taking part in the trials, surveys, and offers as well. Those very same points you can redeem for gift cards, which are seen right here. Just below you have this demo you can check out on when you have your free time and some extra information about this website. Now at the bottom of the page, you can see the reviews which are just amazing, just like they were on Trustpilot with a 4.8 star rating and nearly 400 reviews. In any case, to get started on making money with this site, just click on Join Free right here. You will then be taken over to this page where you will enter the needed information in order for you to start making money. So enter your first and last names, your username, password, make sure it's a good and strong one so you won't get hacked. Then enter your email address, your physical address, city, and all of the personal information. Lastly, you will enter one of the following depending on how you want to get paid: PayPal email, Skrill email, and even your own cryptocurrency wallet. And with all of that said and done, you just have to tick these boxes agreeing to the privacy, policy, and terms, click on I'm not a robot, and on register in order to create your brand new account on this very amazing website and start making money with this website. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.